Hello, good day, good day, good day, good day. So it is many, many, many hours later, and I have left this power supply plugged into this Commodore 64 for many, 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 many hours, and it's on. And the power supply, indeed, it feels, there is more warmth than if it didn't have a load, and this has been doing its thing, so I'm assuming that it will be fine. Assuming. 5.25. Looks at the upper range of acceptable. It does. Oh, 5.24. And it does not seem to be overly hot. So, this one will also go into the box of tested things. Now, the next one, if I can get, what a rat's nest of wires it is. Oh, how do I do this in no time at all? Okay, that's, the mouse is falling. Okay. Alright, this one is the one. I'm dubious. This one, it seems a little, I don't know. Anyway, this is the one that has the fuse stuck in there. And I would bet it was not a factory thing. I would bet. So, I will plug it in. Now, I've already taken a reading on this cold, and I've taken a reading of this after it's been plugged in for a while. 5.16. And now, I will plug it into the 64. And I will put in a little program, which mostly are the little things that I do, but I know you can't see it, so I'm going to very quickly do this program because I gotta go out. You know what I'm going to do this time? I'm going to do something different. I'm going to put the capitals in. Oops. Oops. Semicolon, colon. Go to 40. Okay, so now, I know you can't see this. I'm going to run this. I don't, anyway. Okay, there it is. It's doing World of Commodore. Da, 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 da. When I list this, it is poke 53280, comma 0, poke 53281, comma 0, and then I print, and it's a quote control 2, which means it'll turn it white. And then I did put in World of Commodore with capitals on the world and capitals on the Commodore. And of course, they look okay there, and it's got big letters and small, but if I press the Shift key and the Commodore key, it switches everything to uppercase and graphics mode. So keep that in mind if you want to have things in upper and lower case and not have those funny graphics. Shift Commodore. That's it. That's all. So I gotta go out. So I'm gonna leave this running to test this other power supply. It is one, I think, that was similar to this. That it was fine, and actually the voltage was lower than others, but maybe it did seem to get mighty warm. Maybe, possibly. We'll see. Anyway, so that is it for now. I know, short, sweet.
That was easy.
Onward we go. So thanks for coming. Stay tuned to see what this power supply Does, maybe, as I'm heading downstairs. There is here. Ugh, a 2031, which needs to be in the family portrait. And I will take the box. Perhaps not at the same time. I really don't want to drop anything. Oh, yeah. All right. We'll see you again. Bye for now.